In a recent interview, dancehall artist Beenie Man responded to the controversial Drake song Controller, which had Popcorn verse on the first version, then was leaked and then was replaced with a Beenie Man sample from his song Gyal Tear Off My Garment. Here's what the doc had to say about the song.
I don't know nothing about Popcorn and Drake part. That had nothing to do with I. But some people make it look like I try to steal thunder, you know? I'm the king of the dancehall. I don't steal thunder. The thunder is all mine. People, stop disrespect me. Popcorn, I'm a friend, I'm an artist, I love him to death. I don't really know what happened about why Drake taking out Popcorn out of a song. But it's not my fault. Man like me to sing a song for so long that been #1 everywhere that dancehall music play. And Drake to use it now on his album, regardless Popcorn was on it or on it. It's a great look for me. It's a great look for my career. It's a great look for dancehall music. People need to see it as that. And Drake and his management and his company to get me this part and this song. And I heard that the album is mashing up the place.
When asked about his recommendation for the haters, this is what the doctor recommended.
Keep your bad mind to yourself. Do not share to the world, because people do not need bad mind. They need love and respect and honor.
Here is a sample of Beenie Man's song Gyal Tear Off My Garment.
Gyal tear off me garments, and a ball fi come in a me apartment. Boy, the gyal them want the length and strength. Action speak louder than argument. Well, them a tear off me garment.
People, Beenie Man have some suspect way about him, but I don't think we can blame him for Drake's decision. We must give people credit for their accomplishment, just like we bash them for their screw-ups. It's called tough love and reality check. Beenie Man has made some great contributions to dancehall and is still doing it. This is yet another contribution to dancehall. We should look at the big picture, which is dancehall on a whole, and give credit where it is due and encourage and not try to rain on his parade. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.